Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to completely uninstall Malwarebytes from Windows 10. Type Malwarebytes uninstall tool in browser search bar. Click uninstall and reinstall Malwarebytes. Click Malwarebytes support tool. Open completed download file. Click yes to continue. Check accept license agreement, click next. Click advanced. Click clean. Click yes to continue. Click OK to restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.